Since the 1980s, Vietnam's agriculture and economy have profited from coffee imports. Over 500,000 people work in Vietnam's coffee business, which supports thousands of households. In recent years, coffee exports have contributed over 10% to the sector's GDP.
First, Vietnam's coffee industry. In 1857, the French introduced coffee to Vietnam. Vietnam is now the world's second largest coffee grower, having increased its production from 5,900 hectares in the early 1990s to 500,000 hectares with an annual output of 25 million bags. Vietnam's most popular coffees are Robusta and Arabica. Arabica accounts for a minor percentage of coffee production, while Robusta makes up 92.9% of the coffee area. 600,000 acres are used to grow coffee.
Second, agriculture and zoning. The government has established a master plan to rezone coffee regions, replace old coffee trees with new species, and manage bulk cultivation while improving coffee quality and profitability. Robusta will be planted in Dark Lac, Lam Dong, Dark Nong, and Gia Lai. Arabica coffee will be planted in Sun La, Ngayon, Quang Tri, Lam Dong, and other central regions.
Thirdly, manufacturing system. There are coffee-specific and mixed farms. Two types of farms are diverse. The first are farms with many crops on the same ground. The system is synchronous, so coffee trees will be grown with other crops. The second kind grows crops on separate areas. A new agricultural method. Depending on variety, soil type, and hill slope, Vietnam has 2,660 to 6,660 Arabica coffee trees per hectare. Robusta has 1,330 trees per hectare. Wet season is when farming starts. Coffee trees need water, shade, and wind to grow.
Next, Vietnam's coffee industry's problems. In recent decades, Vietnamese coffee production has become export-focused. The Vietnam coffee industry is struggling despite being the world's second largest producer and exporter. Climate change and storms threaten coffee growing areas. Changing rainfall patterns and increasing temperatures may cause Vietnam to lose half of its Robusta producing territory by 2050, according to CIAT. 50% of Vietnam's coffee trees are 10 to 15 years old and produce the greatest yield. These trees will be crucial to future Vietnamese coffee production. Over 30% of other coffee trees are 15 to 20 years old, and 20% are older. Recently planted coffee plants have grown rapidly. Most of them have shallow, steep slopes and a lack of irrigation water. Low productivity and high production costs make achieving high economic efficiency difficult despite more newly planted acres.
Last, plans and prospects. To address these concerns, Vietnamese officials initiated long-term coffee industry reforms. Sustainable management of the coffee industry's economic and environmental resources is the purpose of the 2014 government plan. The plan includes economic aims for the Vietnam coffee sector, such as improving deep processing for value addition. It also sets specific environmental goals, such as restricting coffee output at 600,000 hectares and replacing old, inefficient coffee tree species with newer ones. Vietnam's coffee industry may have to look forward to solve economic and environmental disparities. These goals show a commitment to maintaining Vietnam's standing as a coffee giant, ensuring long-term production stability.